Hello, my name is David Tresemer. I have a PhD, which is a Doctor of Philosophy, in psychology from Harvard University. As a professional, I was taught to dress like this. In graduate school, I was taught that astrology was superstition, mere bunkum. And as a good student, I accepted that. Later, I was challenged by parents at my daughter's school. I chose the best school in town, which was the Waldorf School. I was challenged by them to test astrology with my fancy statistics that I learned in graduate school. I did so, and I was so impressed that for a time I changed from this to this. I have been studying astrology for some time now, separating the good stuff from the trash. And I've settled on Astrosophy. Astro means star. Sophy, from Sophia, the divine feminine star wisdom, Astrosophy. It comes from Zarathustra, from a few thousand years ago. He was able to understand the heavens as 12 living divine beings with whom he could converse. And within each, he found there were 30 different qualities. So he divided the heavens into 360 degrees. From Zarathustra, we get our sense of time and space. Space, 360 degrees. Time, our clock, our watches, with division into 12. He could converse with these beings. It's more difficult to do that now. So it was inappropriate to remain looking like this. I chose to look more like this. Astrosophy teaches how the heavenly beings influence us in our lives. They do so most significantly at the moment of our birth, when we go through such a huge transition from something that is dark, warm, quiet, protected, to something that is bright and noisy and unprotected. It's the biggest transition we go through. And as with all transitions, at that moment, the cosmos imprints our whole being with its essence. That's what astrology and astrosophy teach us about how to track that impress from our birth, how to work with those positions. And it's especially important on your birthday. We have another video about how to celebrate your birthday, which you can find on our site under the Solar Cross section. Here we are laying the foundations of astrosophy. Astro means star. Sophy, from Sophia, divine feminine wisdom. Astrosophy. One final reminder. We have talked about how your birth is like a trauma. Well, you are meant to develop. You are meant to deal with the hard parts and make them better, and you are meant to take the gifts that you were given and run with them. StarWisdom.org is intended to help you in that process. Enjoy the journey.